And this is what Dunkin' Donuts look like.
Go to your dad or mom.
What the fuck?
This is what happens when you're driving and annoyed, but you still love me, right? Eh. How much do you love me? How much do you love me? Are you tired?
Very tired.
Where are we going?
Pick these kitties up.
Isn't he so handsome? All around view.
My ear, like, I can't hear nothing. Like, really?
Well, I woke you up a little bit.
Whatever. Did I even jump?
Yeah.
Did I go like this? I was like, she hit me with the fucking horn. I was gonna get her with that.
Yeah, and I found it. Too bad he's not tall enough to actually put it where I cannot see it. He put it on top of a cabinet. Isn't that right? Right next to the hot sauce that I pranked you with, and then you cold pranked me with after. Because you're a sore loser. Tell me.
I just fucking, I can't hear you right now.
Sorry.